Are you tired of the hassle of home repair communication? Imagine a seamless way to connect with your service providers. Fixer, based in Chicago, faced this challenge head-on. Their solution? Textline. With Textline, Fixer achieves efficient conversations without the confusion of calls and emails. Customers appreciate quick replies, while fixers enjoy immediate job alerts. No more missed communications. Textline offers 3 key benefits: instant photo sharing, automated reminders, and streamlined team communication. It allows fixers and customers to stay in sync effortlessly. Unlike competitors, Textline allows multiple agents to manage conversations simultaneously, ensuring no message goes unanswered. This boosts customer satisfaction and collaboration among fixers. Don't let poor communication ruin your home repair experience. Try Textline with Fixer today. Transform your maintenance journey and enjoy peace of mind. Text us now.